Dictation will start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
In recent years, there has been a growing recognition of the importance of mental health and its impact on individuals, families, communities, and society at large. For a long time, physical health was given primary attention, while mental well-being was either neglected, misunderstood, or hidden behind a veil of stigma. However, it is now widely acknowledged that mental health is as essential as physical health for living a meaningful, balanced, and productive life. Awareness about mental health, therefore, has become one of the most pressing needs of our times. Mental health refers to the state of our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects the way we think, feel, and behave in daily life. It also determines how we cope with stress, relate to others, and make important decisions. Just as good physical health enables us to carry out our daily tasks effectively, good mental health helps us to develop resilience, handle challenges, and build strong relationships. When mental health is ignored, the consequences are wide-ranging, leading not only to personal suffering but also to reduced productivity, strained relationships, and a heavier burden on the healthcare system. One of the key reasons why mental health awareness is so important is the stigma still attached to it. Many people who suffer from conditions such as depression, anxiety, or bipolar disorder hesitate to seek help because they fear being judged or discriminated against. They may be labeled as weak, unstable, or incapable. Such negative attitudes prevent timely treatment and often worsen the situation. By spreading awareness, society can challenge these stereotypes, normalize conversations about mental health, and create an environment where individuals feel safe and supported in seeking help. Another vital aspect of awareness is early detection and intervention. Most mental health issues can be managed effectively if recognized early. Unfortunately, due to lack of knowledge, symptoms are often ignored until they become severe. For example, a teenager struggling with persistent sadness or lack of interest in studies may actually be showing signs of depression. If parents and teachers are aware of these warning signals, they can provide the necessary support and encourage professional help at the right time. Early intervention not only reduces the severity of illness but also prevents long-term complications. Workplaces also play a critical role in promoting mental health awareness. In the modern world, Stress, long working hours, and the pressure to meet deadlines can take a serious toll on employees' mental well-being. Organizations that recognize this reality and take steps to create a healthy work culture benefit in the long run. Awareness programs, counseling facilities, flexible schedules, and open communication channels can significantly improve employee morale and productivity. Moreover, when leaders openly talk about mental health, it sends a powerful message that seeking help is not a sign of weakness, but a step toward strength. The role of schools and colleges cannot be overlooked. Students today face multiple pressures, academic expectations, peer comparisons, uncertainty about the future, and exposure to social media. Many of them feel overwhelmed but hesitate to talk about their struggles. By introducing mental health education in curricula, organizing workshops, and making counselors accessible, educational institutions can create safe spaces for students to express their concerns. Such awareness at a young age can build lifelong resilience and coping skills. Governments and policymakers also have a responsibility to promote mental health awareness at a larger scale. Public health campaigns, community outreach programs, helplines, and accessible healthcare facilities can make a significant difference. Mental health services should be integrated into primary health care so that they reach people in both urban and rural areas. Investment in training healthcare workers, reducing the cost of therapy, and encouraging research on mental health are equally important measures. Awareness also extends to families and communities. The support of loved ones can make a crucial difference in the recovery of a person struggling with mental illness. Families that are educated about mental health are more likely to show patience, empathy, and encouragement. Communities that value inclusivity create opportunities for individuals to participate actively in social life, instead of isolating them. Every gesture of understanding, whether big or small, helps to reduce the loneliness and shame that often accompany mental health challenges. Ultimately, mental health awareness is about fostering a culture of compassion, knowledge, and openness. It is about teaching people that it is okay to not be okay, and that seeking help is an act of courage, not weakness. In conclusion, the importance of mental health awareness cannot be overstated. It is a shared responsibility of individuals, families, schools, workplaces, healthcare providers, and governments. By breaking the silence, challenging stigma, and spreading knowledge, we can build a world where mental health is valued equally with physical health. Such a world will not only reduce suffering but also unlock human potential, leading to healthier, happier, and more resilient societies.